Hey y'all, it's Betsy, and today we're going to be doing our Bliss box unboxing video. Now this is the box that you order in January and it comes out at the end of January, but it is pretty much for February. So I'm not sure what the theme of it is this year or this month, so we are going to go ahead and get this open. Now, if you do not know, I do this every month. I pay for these boxes myself. The company is a little company across the street from us on Boston Avenue in Nederland, Baubles and Bliss, and I just adore their products. And this is something fun and something different that I like to do. So as you can see, the box is absolutely adorable, and I will have them linked down below, so if you are interested in getting anything from them. So the box description this month is January Bliss box is love is all you need, and it has a description of all the products that are in here, but I am not looking at that yet. So the first thing that is in here that I see is one of their bauble snap bracelets. Now these snaps pop out and they have all kinds of custom ones on their website, so you can change them out to match your bracelets that you're wearing or your shirt that you're wearing. They're super cute and not too expensive. I love that this has the hematite style beading, and that is absolutely cute. It is black and white stripe with the hearts. As you can tell, I like black and white stripes. Let's go ahead and put that on. See how adorable that is? And they stretch so they'll fit any size wrist. Oh, next thing that's in here is a shoe travel bag, and it says shoe love is true love, which I'm losing my box. If you know anything about me, I absolutely adore shoes, and we have another Disney trip planned in September, so I think I know what's going in my suitcase. It's a good size, and it would probably hold 2 pairs for me since my feet are so small, but that is absolutely adorable. And it's a Primitives by Kathy. So we got that. We also got a pack of 3 fuzzy socks. I adore fuzzy socks. These are so great to throw on when you're just lounging around the house. And they are Valentine's print. They have a baby pink with the heart, the red with more of a hot pink heart, and then a lavender set with the baby pink heart. Super duper cute, super soft. They feel really well made, so I definitely like those. And that is the Noilla, I think I'm saying that correctly, I could be wrong, brand. Now these are the kind of socks you don't wear with shoes, just to kind of let you know. These can get a little warm, especially down here in our Southeast Texas climate. Now the next thing we have, and typically it always includes a graphic t-shirt, and it says love is all you need, and that is super cute. It is a Bella v-neck, and it has the different patterns screen printed into the words love. There's a leopard, black and white stripe again, the floral that almost kind of reminds me of, not Lily Pulitzer kind of, and then black and white polka dot, and then the text down at the bottom is a hot pink glitter. So that is super duper cute. And the Bella and Canvas t-shirts that are in here are a unisex fit, just so you know. Then, what else did I get? Oh, super cute. So it's one of the long beaded necklaces in hot pink. So you can layer this however you want to. Actually, it's 2 separate, or no, it's 1 necklace. So you can either tie it, but it's just a good layering piece. So something, you can make it into more of a choker, almost. Well, not almost, you can. But see how cute that looks? And you can almost run that behind your neck and keep it as just the choker length, or you can wear it layered with all 3. Just depends on the neckline of the shirt that you're wearing. But that is super cute, and I love that color. If y'all don't know, pink is my color. Or you could easily layer it to turn it into more bracelets and have like a thick bracelet cuff. And then last, hopefully that's not breakable. Last but not least is, one of the Valentine's bath bombs. And these are by Bubble Boss Bath Co. I have gotten some of their bath bombs before from Baubles and Bliss, and they are really good. Oh, that smells so good. And I absolutely adore bath bombs. So all in all, definitely a good box. I am super duper excited to wear the shirt and all that fun kind of stuff. I will definitely link their website down in the description box below. I have already ordered the box that comes out in February for March, so I'm excited about that. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see that unboxing. Don't forget to check me out on all my social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We do a lot of unboxing. We do beauty, we do keto, we do lots of different things, crafting for Disney. So it's just kind of a hodgepodge of all the things that I love. But other than that, I guess that's it. So, isn't that cute? We'll see you on the next one. Bye.